Hello, everybody. This is Anderson of Bimser International. We are a passionate enterprise software maker bringing the best solution ideas since 1998. Based in New York, we are an American company upholding a strong presence in the global marketplace with many reputable references across all verticals and industries. We are the only company offering 4 unique products that can work independently, with each other, or with any other ERP or CRM system. We have been serving thousands of companies to help them simplify their processes and to be their partner in digital transformation. We offer flexibility, options, and agility to your organization so that you can reduce cost, increase revenue, and manage risk. You can contact us at any time to learn how you can get your company started on digital transformation. This video will provide introductory information on our Enterprise Asset and Maintenance Management System, BEAM. BEAM has been continuously developing for over 20 years now, which means that it is very detailed and fit for the purpose of many companies worldwide. When it comes to managing maintenance, BEAM has everything you need. Like our other products with Bimser International, BEAM is a modular product. It can scale up, it can scale down, as you independently choose and purchase which modules are fit for your company's specific needs. On the same note, while BEAM can function on its own, it integrates seamlessly with a span of systems, including ERP and GIS systems. BEAM can be utilized from 3 types of users. Requesters, for instance, are users outside of the maintenance team who can use BEAM to submit a work request for an asset. Meanwhile, standard users are resources within the maintenance team who handle those requests and corresponding work orders. Lastly, there could be 1 or 2 administrative users of BEAM who oversee all the system's transactions. With these 3 types of users, BEAM provides a handy ecosystem that a company can piece together for their own custom workflows. With the multi-functionality of BEAM, we can configure up to 10,000 reports. These reports can be generated on a scheduled basis or be surveyed at a real-time performance rate. Our past clients have reported a significant reduction in maintenance costs by 15 to 20%, as well as reduced failures by 40 to 80%. These numbers provide statistical evidence that BEAM as a digital transformation tool is sure to bring great opportunities for a company to save on costs. This slide presents technical information about BEAM. BEAM is a highly compatible, technologically advanced management platform. Next, we present our top BEAM modules. There is a plentiful assortment of BEAM modules, including ones that manage purchasing and energy. However, the main modules of BEAM are located at the left of this slide. When talking about maintenance, we are talking about the 3 M's: man, machine, and material. On top of the maintenance management module, we see other management modules that provide for each respective M: personnel management for man, asset management for machine, and inventory management for material. Let's first begin by talking about the asset management module. This is where a company can either manually add or import from a spreadsheet all information regarding their assets. There are tons of configurable fields with information on the asset, such as QR codes or RFIDs. Other information include pictures or warranties. Within this module, we also have a graphical asset tree, which provides users with an aerial bird's-eye view of their assets functioning in real time. Assets labeled in green are in good working conditions, while assets in red are open with a work order. The graphical asset tree is interactive, as the user can select an asset and directly create a work order or review the asset status from this page. Next, we have the maintenance management module. In this module, we can write up a fast work request and assign all work orders to our resources with included timeframes and costs. We can also provide information on the cost of third-party services if ever necessary. This module oversees all types of maintenance: corrective maintenance, which handles an issue at the time of its occurrence; preventive maintenance, which allows for a periodic check on a particular asset to guarantee constant functionality; and the predictive maintenance, which can read information given off by an asset such as temperature or vibration to automatically generate a work order when values reach outside of its intended threshold. Lastly, the ability to schedule shutdowns makes it so that we can accurately plan when an asset can undergo maintenance, as to not disrupt other assets within a larger process. Next is the material management module. In this module, we can monitor all of our company's inventories across all departments and locations. Each inventory or spare part can be logged with information on price, quantity, and location. By gauging the stocks of our spare parts, a user could oversee when inventory needs to be updated. The advanced feature provided by this module is the ability to put into action a warehouse transfer. By doing so, we can avoid going over a maximum limit of our spare parts across all warehouses and manage our processes as if we were working with a single consolidated inventory. Lastly, we have the Personnel Management module. This module can assign and adjust the shifts of a company's resources, as well as provide information on their inactive days. This functionality provides a company with the flexibility to devise work order schedules. It's a calendar management feature that makes it so that we can easily coordinate as a team on which work orders can be carried out, at what times, and by which team member. Beam is an overall powerful tool for everything involving maintenance. On top of its flexible reporting functionality, the homepage of Beam also displays a real-time dashboard to bring visual representation of our system information into the palm of the user's hands. Yes, that is correct. Beam is also available as a mobile application for both Android and iOS. The mobile app makes excellent use of taking pictures or scanning QR codes of assets, following work order procedures, or quickly accessing the maintenance calendar. Here we have a list of our references. From this selection, we can see many well-known logos such as Barilla and Henkel. International Paper uses Beam in their international operations. And in the Middle East, Starbucks and KFC locations are using Beam to manage their machinery. Feel free to refer to our official website for more in-depth use cases to see how Beam has transformed companies' processes around the world. Speaking of which, I'd also like to mention that Beam is used worldwide in several world languages. We have references in Brazil, Kenya, China, the list goes on. And with each deployment, Beam is being run in these localized languages and under their respective currencies. I will now log into Beam to show maintenance in action. First off is our interactive dashboard that can be displayed however we may choose. Clicking into the main menu on the top left shows the modules accessible to this particular user. Each module in Beam is consistent and easy to use. We can drag and drop our fields and even add in more columns thanks to the column chooser. Let's do a quick look at our assets in real time with the graphical asset tree. All my assets are in green, everything looks good. Let's move on to check what work orders and maintenance plans we have going on. Everything is good in the Maintenance Management module. Now I'm clicking into the Materials Management module, and I see that everything is laid out, displayed directly in front of me. Lastly, let's see what work orders were managed in the past month among my maintenance team. Okay, I see that one work order has happened recently in the past week. That's great! That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please be sure to give a thumbs up. Feel free to contact us at any time with the information provided below to schedule for a free demonstration of Beam. Again, this is Anderson of Bimser International. Thank you for listening.